Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to another daily market outlook video. We'll have a look at yesterday's price action. But as usual, we'll start off on the economic calendar over here. See what we've got coming up. Now, we do have some red news. So the London session today is pretty clean, but we do have some USD news here towards the start of the New York session. And we don't actually have a time here on this GBP news. So it'll be interesting to see when that actually comes out, but probably anticipated around midnight for here in Australia anyway. And then overnight, 2 p.m, we have Fed Jerome Powell speaking as well. So that could also trigger a bit of movement today. So if you are trading, obviously look probably earlier in the London session, and definitely be managing some risk if you're going to be coming into the New York session. So yesterday, we can see here we're anticipating possibly a push up and a flush down, or a break and a retest. And ultimately, we just pretty much just went sideways. Price action didn't really do much. And to be honest, it's probably makes sense with the news that we've got coming up in the last 2 days of this week. It kind of makes sense that the market is kind of just paused out, waiting to see what is happening to come from these news events. Now, obviously, my analysis pretty much still just stays the same at the moment. This one kind of just moves over to here, and if we continue just to set 4-hour lows, then we'll just continue going down. This one here could still be relevant yet, and we may have seen a sweep of the low here pushing up, coming up, see a sweep of the high into this last little supply area here before flushing low. But again, that's going to be all based around a lot of news. So we'll just have to wait and see. So again, when the market consolidates like this, it is definitely waiting for the response from that fundamental news. So don't please be careful, because moves based on those fundamental news can often be very quick, very powerful, and can find yourself liquidated very quickly. Over here on Euro, exactly the same thing. That's when I was doing my analysis yesterday, and it pretty much just went sideways. So everything still structurally is the same as what we were looking for the other day. So we either see a push down into this area, hopefully holding this structural low. We see here, as we discussed yesterday, we pushed up, had a pullback, pushed up, broke structure again, which made this the strong low. And now we've consolidated in there. This is currently our strong low, and this is currently our strong high. Everything in the middle here is just internal price action. So what we're waiting on at the moment is, are we going to break high and then set, which would then set this as our structural low, maybe return back and go long from there? Or are we going to pull down, possibly breaking these lows, taking liquidity out of here into filling this last little imbalance area here, into this last area of supply, and then pushing long from there? So they're the two areas I'm looking for. Again, will be heavily based on the news this week and tonight. 15-minute, there's nothing much here on the 15-minute, all just, again, sideways, same as the 4-hour. There's no structure there to chase at all. It's literally just going sideways. So there's nothing really that we can take off there. There is a little bit of building of liquidity in here, which would, obviously fuel a push down and then to go long. But again, on a 15 or a 4-hour, it doesn't look pretty. It's all just very choppy and consolidated, and we need to be trading with trends and trading with price action that is, easier to read and interpret at this point in time. A lot of wicks there, a lot of indecision, especially even since like the start of the month. So the last couple of weeks, very, very sideways price action. So hopefully gearing up for what could be, some very influential news this week, and hopefully starting to see some movement in the markets. And GU, obviously exactly the same as the analysis yesterday. There is nothing happening on GU. We can see here just up and down and up and down, not really doing much. And even since there we go, like the middle of February, it's really just moved sideways. since the middle of February. So again, just waiting for a break either of these range highs or lows, or at worst case scenario, seeing a push up into the high of the range and then getting that flush out of there. We can see here we have pushed higher up into yesterday's price action. If we have a bit of a look at that, we do have this 4-hour imbalance over here, which we did obviously push up into yesterday there, and then obviously then just marched our way down and have sort of flattened out sideways there on the 15-minute chart and just sort of sitting below that area now. But again, nothing much there to be concerning ourselves with. Okay, guys, righto. Well, other than that, that's pretty much the analysis for today. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we can jump on tomorrow and be talking about these big aggressive moves that have happened and given us a little bit of direction in the market. And again, if you are looking at trading today, please be careful, manage your risks accordingly, and be aware of when those news events are. Okay, you guys have a great day. Appreciate the support as always. If you can give me a like, give the channel a like, that would be greatly appreciated. And I'll see you again on tomorrow's Daily Market Outlook video. Thank you. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.